What's up, everybody? Alan Johnson with the AJ team here. So, seller scenario. This seller wanted to sell their condo in the Alexandria area. All right. It had been a rental property for them, a really good rental property for them for about 10 years, but it was time to liquidate. And when the seller originally came to me, they were going to sell the property to their tenant. All right. So I warned this person that this tenant was probably not going to be a great buyer. It took us about 4 weeks of hell figuring out that this tenant wasn't going to be the right purchaser. But I never try to be an agent that I'm a told you so type of agent. She needed to go through that process to figure it out. So we ended up getting out of that process, getting the tenant out. They moved out, and we had to make a decision. Were we going to do upgrades, or were we going to keep the property exactly in the same condition? So I had my contractors go through the property. Most of the time when we are helping people get their properties ready for the market, I would say 95% of the time we are giving them our resources, right? We've done this. We trust our contractors. Our contractors are always going to give our clients the best price. So we ended up renovating her condo for just under $10,000. Paint, carpet, no, it was paint, hardwood floors, some repairs. We also put granite, we painted cabinets and appliances, okay? So with those $10,000 worth of upgrades, she was originally going to sell her property at this price to this tenant. Tenant would have got a really good deal had they acted right. But we ended up putting $10,000 in upgrades, and our client ended up getting $218,000, all right? So $23,000 more off of a $10,000 investment. If I were to tell you over a period of 6 weeks, if you gave me $10,000 and I was going to give you $23,000 back, you would probably take that deal every day of the week, right? So these are the types of things that we take our sellers through. We want to make sure that you understand if this money right here is going to net you more money in the end. And sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't. But it's very important for us to make sure that we go through the process so that if you are looking to net as much money as you possibly can, we can put a strategy in forth to be able to do that. All right. So Alan Johnson with the AJ team. If you're thinking about selling and you need some strategies like this to figure out what's the best way to sell and how you can maximize all of your dollars, we'd love to sit down and talk to you. You have the dream, and we have the address. We'll talk to you soon.